Welcome back to Kai Super Sweet channel. Today we are doing another squishy giveaway. So we're about to have one winner, and we're about to announce the winner on Christmas Eve. And I'm going to show you the squishies you could win. But first we got some toothpaste. Then we got a blue heart. Then we got a cake or a pie with the fruit and the cream on it. Then we got some strawberry ice cream with a brown cone. So that's all the squishies you could win. So make sure you give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. And comment down below what is your favorite squishy you could win. So bye!